In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Vertex AI API in Google Cloud. This is an essential step if you want to access the powerful features offered by Vertex AI. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you have everything set up correctly and can start leveraging these tools for your projects. First, let's direct our attention to the Google Cloud Console. Before proceeding, make sure you've selected the right project. You'll find your projects listed in a drop-down at the top of the console. It's crucial to select the correct one because any changes you make will only apply to the project that is currently active. Once you've confirmed the right project is active, look over to the left side of your screen. There you'll see a navigation menu. On this menu, you want to locate and click on APIs and Services and then proceed to select Library. This section is where you'll find the various APIs you can enable for Google Cloud. In the API library, there's a search bar at the top. You'll want to use this search function to find Vertex AI. You can either type in Vertex AI or, alternatively, type AI Platform, as both will direct you to the API you need. Upon finding Vertex AI in your search results, click on its name. This action will take you to the Vertex AI API page. Here, you'll see an Enable button. Click this button to activate the API. Keep in mind that enabling the API might take a few moments, so be patient while the activation process completes. Now, let's discuss a few prerequisites and permissions you need to consider. For the API to enable successfully, your project must have billing enabled. If billing isn't set up correctly, you may encounter an error during this process. Furthermore, you'll need to have the appropriate permissions on your account to enable the API. Specifically, you need the Service Usage Admin role or an equivalent permission, such as Service Usage Services Enable, assigned to your account for this particular project. Without these permissions, you won't be able to enable the API. Once the Vertex AI API is enabled, there's a possibility you may need to grant additional roles to your user or service account so that you can fully utilize Vertex AI's capabilities. Consider roles like Vertex AI User or Vertex AI Admin, depending on the level of access you require. Assigning these roles ensures you have the necessary permissions to operate within Vertex AI effectively. And there you have it. With the Vertex AI API enabled and the right permissions in place, you're all set to explore the robust tools and features that Google Cloud has to offer. Happy experimenting, and feel free to reach out if you run into any snags along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.